Can you unbox the new Gen 6 Glock? What a good question, and yes, I can. All right, here it is, the new Glock Gen 6. More specifically, this is the Glock 45. All right, let's unbox this guy. Oh, look at that! Glock 45, baby! I got 1 and 2 extra mags, 3 total magazines. We get an extra back strap. The lock that literally nobody ever uses, don't need that. We get some extra optic plates, cleaning tool, and the safeguard instructions from Glock. All right, so here's what I want to do. I want to run a magazine through this and just see how it feels and how it performs. Flawless. This right here is going to cost you between $620, $650, and $699. Question is, would you get the new Glock 45 Gen 6? Comment down below and drop me a follow.